All right, starting out with a look at some light snow passing into the FM area. Once again, on again, off again, bouts with flakes of ice crystals here in the area, kind of keeping our roads slippery throughout the course of our day. Here is a look then at your current conditions out at Hector International Airport right now. That temperature still in the teens, reporting that snow shower. Winds are from the north-northwest now, and that's going to tug some Canadian air our way. Those winds are blowing at about 15 miles per hour, making it feel like it is just below zero. Elsewhere, we have temperatures in the upper teens from Detroit Lakes and Wahpeton Breckenridge down into Sisseton. Single-digit readings, although above zero in the Devil's Lake Basin and Langdon, and holding on to the mid and even upper teens in northwest Minnesota and west central Minnesota. Factor in the winds, and we don't see a real wind chill until we look into the Devil's Lake Basin. That is where the coldest of the air is pushing in from. Just got a report from one of our viewers on Facebook of some fog and freezing fog in and around Otter Tail County between Fergus Falls and Ashby on I-94 in that area. Visibility's down a little bit, but be cautious as you're driving out there with some freezing fog. That's little water droplets that are suspended in the atmosphere at temperatures below freezing. They'll freeze on impact on things like your windshield. Here's a look at snowfall totals. Largely, the places that got the majority of the snow were 1 inch to 3 inches. Lisbon, 1 inch. Montpelier, 2 inches. The big winner, Jamestown, 3 inches there. The latest report in Grand Forks, although it's been snowing there for the better part of the day, was 1/2 inch. We'll update you when we get more information. The snow showers not showing up here on the radar too good, but the heaviest heading out to the Iron Range in Duluth. This activity is just that what we have now left, just some isolated flurries of snow. They won't add much additional accumulation, but will keep things slippery. Hour by hour forecast. Northwest winds will pump that cold air in this evening, already near zero up in the Rolla and Rock Lake areas. Heading overnight, the coldest air arrives in north central portions of North Dakota. 13 below in Harvey, will be below zero in Grand Forks. It will be below zero in Fargo, and holding on to near zero in Lakes Country and Point South. That's how we start the day. Your temperatures, with a little bit of sunshine, will hover around these values all day long. Nobody warms up too much. The wind will continue to be from the northwest at around 15 miles per hour, making it wind chilly throughout the day. And as we go into the late afternoon and evening, look at these temperatures here start to plummet as we head into Saturday night. We will already, by your 10 at 10 on Valley News Live, be in the teens below zero. Go ahead and tune in and check it out. We will be cold and on our way to wind chills around 35 to 45 below. So here's what you need to plan for. If you're going out tailgating or heading outdoors doing a little holiday shopping, temperatures will be below zero and then hovering around that 5 below mark throughout the day. In the late afternoon, even though we see a little bit of sun, those north winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour will usher in that bitter cold air, and the coldest chunk of Arctic madness arrives on your Sunday morning. Here's your hometown forecast. 6 below at 3 o'clock in the afternoon in Langdon, and we're hoping for just above zero temperatures in places like Fergus Falls, Detroit Lakes, and Oaks. Here's a shot of what it may look like. This is near the Kelly Slough area. Thanks, David, for uploading that wintry scene. Now a look at how cold we go. Sunday morning, 20 to 30 below in the valley and points east. It's going to be brutal, but we warm up significantly throughout the day with west and southwest winds. We'll be back to above zero. That sets the stage for a pretty fair start to the work week at 10 degrees above zero, I might add. We're heading toward 21 on Wednesday with a shot of a few flakes.
Double digits are good.
Yeah, it's kind of that roller coaster.
Yeah. Sure is. Getting tired of sweeping snow off the driveway.
Yeah, no
so
kidding.
at least it's sweeping.
Yeah, that's
yes.
right.